I have not seen anybody use Shepskis calculator yet to figure out the numbers for SafuuX, so that's what I'm going to do right now. All right. So we have 19,157,000 Safu in circulation today, and I'll try to not touch my nose so much. I have a tendency to touch my nose a lot, allergies and whatnot. So if we have 19,157,000 Safu in circulation today, I'm on Shepskis calculator right now, with a sacrifice price of $10 on October 20th. That will give us 40 days till sacrifice. We're going to have 47,300,000 Safu to sacrifice. It's going to give us, with that $10 price at sacrifice, it's going to give us 91,400,000. We'll say 91,500,000 SafuuX at sacrifice. Come mainnet, after it rebases for 2 months, we'll have 327 million SafuuX at mainnet with a value of about 3 billion. But if you add the 75 million that are going to be for sale on day one of mainnet and make that circulating supply, like, pretty quickly, it'll probably be 400 million. So 400 million with a price of $9 is going to be 3.6 billion market cap. So with a market cap of 3.6 billion, like, pretty quickly, and let me see, that also the fire pit will be at, I think, 77% at that point, because if we are only taking 91 million SafuuX, that means 209 million are still going to go to the fire pit. And I did the math. I don't want to X out of SafuuX calculator because it'll X out everything I did. But it will give us a fire pit of, I think, 77%, something like that, which would be good because it would instantaneously become deflationary, and that means the price would hold steady, go up quicker, go down slower, and it would keep that circulating supply down so we could get that price higher more easily. Let's see. The Shepskis calculator doesn't account for the fire pit. That would be a very interesting thing to add to it, Shepski, if you watch my video by any chance. If you could add how the fire pit affects the circulating supply, I don't know how you would calculate that. I think Daniel Prado came up with some kind of an equation, like the fire pit grows by 2.3% every day, whereas the circulating supply rebases by 2.09% every day, or something like that. I don't know. That might be wrong, but I think he came up with some kind of an equation for it. So let's say that the circulating supply is, or that the price of sacrifice is only $1. And with everything else being the same, we would have 47 million Safu at sacrifice at $1. Converted SafuuX with the 74% multiplier, we would be left with 9,150,000 SafuuX and at sacrifice, and then come mainnet, we'd have 32,730,000 SafuuX with a value of about 300 million. And you could add the 75 million to that, so we would have close to 100 million tokens. So no, hold on, 75 plus 32 is 107 million tokens. 107 million tokens with a value of 900 million, something like that. 7 million times 9 is 63. So 963 million. So just under $1 billion market cap. If we had a $1 Safu, just under $1 billion market cap on day one. And I think Diogenes was saying it could get to a $9 billion market cap pretty quick. I haven't watched his video. I just heard the number 9 billion thrown out there. And if that happened, that would mean a 9x right off the bat. So the price would get to let me see, $81 if we went to like a $9 billion market cap. Let's put 84. It's close as I can get. 84. So let's say, all right, let's say you have 100 Safu today. There's a $1 price of sacrifice, and you just hold until mainnet, and on mainnet we quickly get up to $84 price. Then the first day of mainnet you'd have $14,000 with your 170 SafuuX. $14,000. And if you held all the way till July 17th, you would have $604,000. Not bad. That's my lady calling me, so that's the end of this video.